Hey there! Do you want to lose weight fast? I've got something amazing to share with you today. Welcome to the 21-Day Smoothie Diet by health coach Drew. Now imagine this. In just 21 days, you could be on your way to a slimmer, healthier you. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's possible with this easy and delicious smoothie diet plan. So what's the 21-Day Smoothie Diet all about? It's a rapid weight loss program designed to help you shed those extra pounds by replacing your regular meals with healthy, nutrient-packed smoothies. Each smoothie is crafted to give you the perfect blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to keep you energized and full throughout the day. And the best part? These smoothies are super easy to make. You just need a blender, some fresh fruits and veggies, and a few minutes of your time. You'll be whipping up tasty, healthy meals in no time. But wait, there's more. This program doesn't just help you lose weight, it also promotes better digestion, clearer skin, and improved overall health. Plus, you get a handy guide with all the recipes and tips you need for success. And it's not just about the smoothies. You'll also learn about healthy eating habits and how to keep the weight off for good. It's a complete lifestyle change, all in just 21 days. So, are you ready to transform your life? Click the link below for more information and get started on your 21-day smoothie diet journey today. Let's make this the start of a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and inspiration. Catch you next time.